In today's video, we are diving into a simple yet powerful C program, a contact management system built using linked list. This program lets you store contacts with names and phone numbers and manage them with options to add, search, display, or even delete contacts, all while keeping them organized in an alphabetical order. We'll walk through how the code works, from creating contact notes, inserting them in order, searching for specific names, and safely removing contacts when needed. So let's break down the code step by step.
Hello everyone, in this program we are using three header files: stdio.h, stdlib.h, string.h. Struct contact defines a contact node for a singly linked list. Each contact has name, which stores the contact name, phone, which stores the contact phone number, and next, which is pointer to the next node in the linked list. Here, head is a pointer to the first contact in linked list, which is initialized to null. Create contact function creates a new contact node with a name and phone number. It allocates memory using malloc. Copy the name and phone to node using string copy. Set next to null and return the pointer to a new contact.
The add contact function adds a new contact with a name and phone number into a single linked list, keeping the list sorted alphabetically by a name. This creates a new node with the given name and phone number. Create contact returns a pointer to the new contact. If the list is empty, add equal to null, or the new name is alphabetically before the first contact, insert at the beginning. Then link the new node to the current head. Update head to point to the new contact. If the new contact goes somewhere in the middle or end, traverse the list using current. Stop when you reach the end or the next node's name comes after or is equal to the new name. Now, link the new contact between current and current to next, and finally display a message contact added successfully.
Here, this function is called display contacts. It starts by the checking if the head pointer is null, which means the list is empty. If the list is empty, it prints a message and exits the function using return. Then, temp is a temporary pointer used to traverse the linked list. It's set to the beginning of the list, which is head. Then it prints the title contact list. Here in the while loop goes through each node in the list. As long as temp is not null, it prints the name and phone number stored in the current node. Then it moves to the next node using temp is equal to temp to the next. This continues until the end of the list. Now let's look at the search contact function. This function takes a name as input and looks for it in the linked list. Like before, we use a temporary pointer temp starting from the head. Inside the loop, we use string compare to compare the name entered by the user with the name stored in the current node. If they match, string compare returns 0. If a match is found, it prints the contact's details and exits using return. If no match is found by the end of the list, it prints contact not found.
We will use delete contact function to delete a contact by name. Set the pointer temp to first node in the list, that is head, and priv pointer to null. Now this while loop searches the list for the contact name. It moves through each node as long as temp is not null, meaning we haven't reached the end, and the current node's name does not match the target name. If both the conditions are true, we'll set priv to temp and temp moves to the next node. This way, when the loop ends, temp points to the node to delete or null if not found, and priv points to the node just before it. Now if temp equal to null, then we have reached the end of the list and we haven't found the name. So it will display a message contact not found and return it. If temp is not null, it means we have found the node, so we'll check if priv is still null. That would mean the node to delete is actually the head of the list. In this case, we'll update head to temp of next, else if priv is not null, the node to delete is somewhere in the middle or the end. So we set priv of next to temp of next, by which the previous node points to the node after the temp, and at the end we'll free the memory of temp and print contact deleted successfully.
Execution start at the main function. Choice store the user menu selection. Name and phone stores the contact name and phone number respectively. We use while one make the program run in a loop until the user chooses to exit. The menu is printed each time, prompting the user to choose an option. Scanf read the integer input for choice. GetChar clears leftover new line from the pressing enter. We use switch case to handle choice. Now in case 1, read the contact name and phone number. Uses fget to safely read strings. strcspn name new line, find the new line character and replace it with /0 to terminate the string properly. Call add contact to save the contact. In case 2, call a function to display all stored contact. In case 3, read the name to search and call search contact. In case 4, read the name of the contact to delete and call delete contact. Now finally in case 5, exit the program by returning 0.